Turboprop aircraft, a perfect blend of jet engine performance and propeller-driven efficiency, have become essential in both commercial aviation and military operations. These versatile machines offer superior fuel economy, short takeoff capabilities, and the ability to operate from smaller airports. Whether for regional commercial flights, private travel, or military applications, turboprops continue to evolve with cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll explore 15 mind-blowing turboprop aircraft that push the boundaries of aviation, showcasing innovations in design, performance, and capabilities. From high-performance military models to futuristic civilian aircraft, these turboprops are set to redefine the skies. Piper M700 Fury. The Piper M700 Fury is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that redefines aviation standards. Equipped with a Pratt & Whitney PT 6A52 engine delivering 700 shaft horsepower, it achieves a maximum cruise speed of 301 knots true airspeed, making it the fastest single-engine aircraft in Piper's history. Its impressive range of 1852 nautical miles and rapid climb rate of 2048 feet per minute underscore its efficiency and capability. The M700 Fury features the advanced Garmin G3000 avionics suite, including the Halo safety system with Autoland technology, enhancing safety and ease of operation. With a luxurious 6-seat cabin and customizable interior options, the M700 Fury offers both performance and comfort. In summary, the Piper M700 Fury sets a new benchmark in turboprop aviation, combining speed, efficiency, safety, and luxury. Epic AOPA E1000GX. The Epic E1000GX is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that sets new standards in aviation. Powered by a 1,200 shaft horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT 6A67A engine, it delivers exceptional speed and efficiency. The aircraft boasts a maximum cruise speed of 325 knots, true airspeed, and a range of 1385 nautical miles, making it ideal for long-distance travel. Designed with a sleek composite airframe, the E1000GX offers a spacious 6-seat cabin with ample legroom, ensuring comfort during extended flights. The advanced Garmin G1000 NXI avionics suite enhances situational awareness and simplifies navigation. In summary, the Epic E1000GX combines speed, efficiency, and luxury, making it a standout choice for discerning pilots and travelers. Daher TBM 960. The Daher TBM 960 is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that seamlessly combines speed, efficiency, and advanced technology. Powered by the Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6 E66 XT engine, it delivers 1750 shaft horsepower, enabling a maximum cruise speed of 308 knots true airspeed and a range of 1730 nautical miles. The aircraft features a 5-blade Hartzell propeller, contributing to reduced noise and vibration levels. Its Garmin G3000 avionics suite includes the HomeSafe emergency Autoland system, enhancing safety by allowing the aircraft to land automatically if the pilot becomes incapacitated. The TBM 960's cabin offers a luxurious environment with advanced environmental control systems and customizable interior options, ensuring comfort during extended flights. Its digital engine and propeller control system simplifies operation, reducing pilot workload and enhancing overall efficiency. In summary, the Daher TBM 960 sets a new standard in turboprop aviation, offering exceptional performance, advanced safety features, and luxurious comfort. Beechcraft Denali. The Beechcraft Denali is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that sets new standards in aviation. Powered by the GE Aerospace Catalyst engine, it delivers 1300 shaft horsepower, enabling a maximum cruise speed of 285 knots, true airspeed, and a range of 1600 nautical miles. Designed with a spacious cabin, the Denali offers seating for up to 11 occupants, providing a comfortable environment for both passengers and crew. The aircraft features a flat-floor cabin with a height of 4 feet 10 inches and a width of 5 feet 3 inches, ensuring ample space for movement and comfort. Equipped with the Garmin G3000 avionics suite, the Denali enhances situational awareness and simplifies navigation. The inclusion of Garmin emergency Autoland technology further elevates safety by allowing the aircraft to land automatically if the pilot becomes incapacitated. In summary, the Beechcraft Denali combines advanced technology, impressive performance, and luxurious comfort, making it a standout choice in the single-engine turboprop market. Pilatus PC-12 NGX. The Pilatus PC-12NGX is a versatile single-engine turboprop aircraft that excels in performance, comfort, and efficiency. Equipped with a Pratt & Whitney PT6E67XP engine featuring full authority digital engine control and auto throttle, it offers a maximum cruise speed of 290 knots, 537 kilometers per hour, and a range of 1765 nautical miles, 3,269 kilometers. The cabin is designed for luxury and functionality, accommodating up to 9 passengers with ample space and large windows that enhance the flying experience. Advanced avionics, including Honeywell's Primus Apex system with SmartView synthetic vision, provide pilots with intuitive controls and enhanced situational awareness. Notably, the PC-12NGX has been adopted by operators like Charter, who highlighted its versatility and improved capabilities for demanding conditions. Beechcraft King Air 350i. The Beechcraft King Air 350i is a versatile twin turboprop aircraft renowned for its performance, comfort, and efficiency. Equipped with 2 Pratt & Whitney PT6A60A engines, it offers a maximum cruise speed of 312 knots, 578 km per hour, and a range of 1806 nautical miles, 3,345 kilometers. The cabin features a modern design with ample legroom, heated seats, and large windows, enhancing passenger comfort. Standard amenities include pull-out work tables, power outlets, a private aft lavatory, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Pilots benefit from the Rockwell Collins ProLine Fusion Avionics Suite, featuring 3 14-inch touchscreen displays, synthetic vision, and integrated charts and maps, simplifying navigation and communication. In summary, the Beechcraft King Air 350i stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance turboprop aircraft that combines advanced technology with exceptional comfort. Epic E1000. The Epic E1000 is a high-performance single-engine turboprop aircraft that combines speed, efficiency, and luxury. Powered by a 1,200 shaft horsepower Pratt & Whitney PT6A67A engine, it achieves a maximum cruise speed of 325 knots, 600 kilometers per hour, and a range of 1,650 nautical miles, 3,050 kilometers. The cabin is designed for comfort, featuring a pressurized environment with an air stair door for easy access. The interior includes 4 club seats offering ample legroom, large windows for enhanced visibility, and modern amenities to ensure a comfortable flight experience. Equipped with advanced avionics, including the Garmin G1000 NSK suite, the E1000 provides pilots with intuitive controls and enhanced situational awareness. The aircraft's composite construction contributes to its lightweight design, improving performance and fuel efficiency. In summary, the Epic E1000 stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance turboprop aircraft that combines advanced technology with exceptional comfort. Daher TBM 940. The Daher TBM 940 is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that combines speed, efficiency, and advanced technology. Equipped with a Pratt & Whitney PT6A66D engine, it achieves a maximum cruise speed of 330 knots, 611 kilometers per hour, and a range of approximately 1,730 nautical miles, 3,204 kilometers. The cabin accommodates up to 6 passengers, offering a pressurized environment with comfortable seating and modern amenities. The aircraft features a fully integrated Garmin G3000 avionics suite, providing intuitive controls and enhanced situational awareness. Notably, the TBM 940 introduces auto throttle and automatic de-icing systems, significantly reducing pilot workload and enhancing safety. In summary, the Daher TBM 940 stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance turboprop aircraft that combines advanced technology with exceptional comfort. Piper M600. The Piper M600 is a high-performance single-engine turboprop that offers a compelling blend of speed, efficiency, and advanced technology. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT6A42A engine, it achieves a maximum cruise speed of 274 knots, 507 kilometers per hour, and a range of approximately 1,300 nautical miles, 2,408 kilometers. The cabin accommodates up to 6 passengers, featuring a pressurized environment with comfortable seating and modern amenities. The aircraft is equipped with the Garmin G3000 avionics suite, providing intuitive controls and enhanced situational awareness. Notably, the M600 introduced the Garmin Autoland system, enhancing safety by enabling the aircraft to land autonomously in emergency situations. In summary, the Piper M600 stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance turboprop aircraft that combines advanced technology with exceptional comfort. Cessna SkyCourier. The Cessna SkyCourier is a versatile twin turboprop aircraft designed for both passenger and cargo operations. It offers a maximum payload of 5,000 pounds and can accommodate up to 19 passengers. The aircraft features a spacious cabin with large windows, providing passengers with ample legroom and comfort. Its high-wing design and large cargo door facilitate easy loading and unloading, making it ideal for various operational needs. Equipped with Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A65 engines and Garmin G1000 avionics, the SkyCourier ensures reliable performance and efficient operations. Its fixed landing gear and single-point refueling system contribute to its low operating costs and quick turnaround times. In summary, the Cessna SkyCourier stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance turboprop aircraft that combines advanced technology with exceptional comfort. Kodiak 100. The Kodiak 100 is a versatile single-engine turboprop renowned for its exceptional short takeoff and landing capabilities, making it ideal for accessing remote and unimproved airstrips. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A34 engine, it offers a maximum cruise speed of approximately 174 knots, 322 kilometers per hour, and a range of around 1,000 nautical miles, 1,852 kilometers. Designed to accommodate up to 10 passengers, the Kodiak 100 features a spacious cabin with large windows, providing ample legroom and comfort. Its high-wing design and large cargo door facilitate easy loading and unloading, making it suitable for various operational needs. Equipped with Garmin G1000 avionics, the Kodiak 100 ensures reliable performance and efficient operations. Its fixed tricycle landing gear and robust construction contribute to its low operating costs and quick turnaround times. In summary, the Kodiak 100 stands out as a top choice for those seeking a reliable, high-performance turboprop aircraft that combines advanced technology with exceptional comfort. Kodiak 900. The Kodiak 900 is a versatile turboprop aircraft that builds upon the Kodiak 100's legacy, offering enhanced performance and comfort. Its extended fuselage provides additional passenger and cargo space, accommodating up to 10 seats. Equipped with a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A140A engine, delivering 900 shaft horsepower, it achieves a maximum cruise speed of 210 knots, true airspeed, and a range of 1129 nautical miles. The aircraft's 5-blade composite propeller contributes to a quieter cabin environment, enhancing passenger comfort. Advanced avionics, including the Garmin G1000 NXI integrated flight deck, reduce pilot workload and improve situational awareness. With a maximum takeoff weight of 8,800 pounds and a useful load of 3,630 pounds, the Kodiak 900 is well suited for both commercial and private missions. Lockheed C-130 Hercules. The Lockheed C-130 Hercules is a 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft renowned for its versatility and durability. Designed to operate from short, unprepared airstrips, it excels in tactical missions, including troop deployments, cargo drops, and medical evacuations. Its robust construction allows it to carry heavy loads, up to 45,000 pounds, while maintaining impressive maneuverability. The C-130's ability to perform aerial refueling and operate in diverse environments, from Arctic regions to tropical zones, underscores its adaptability. Since its first flight in 1954, the C-130 has undergone numerous upgrades, with the C-130J Super Hercules being the latest iteration, featuring advanced avionics and more efficient engines. With over 2,500 units delivered to 26 operators in 22 countries, the C-130 remains a cornerstone of military airlift operations worldwide. Daher TBM 910. The Daher TBM 910 is a high-performance single-engine turboprop aircraft that offers a blend of speed, efficiency, and luxury. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A6060 engine delivering 850 shaft horsepower, it achieves a maximum cruise speed of 330 knots true airspeed and a range of 1,730 nautical miles. The aircraft's Garmin G1000 NXI avionics system enhances situational awareness and reduces pilot workload. The cabin, accommodating up to 6 passengers, features modern amenities such as heated seats, adjustable backrests, and ample storage space. With a maximum takeoff weight of 7,394 pounds and a useful load of 2,400 pounds, the TBM 910 is well suited for both business and leisure travel. Embraer EMB 110 Bandeirante. The Embraer EMB 110 Bandeirante is a twin turboprop light transport aircraft designed for both military and civilian applications. Introduced in 1973, It accommodates between 15 and 21 passengers and is powered by two Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6A34 engines, each delivering 750 horsepower. This configuration enables the Bandeirante to achieve a maximum cruising speed of 260 knots and a range of approximately 1,000 nautical miles. Its robust construction and versatility have made it suitable for various roles, including cargo transport, passenger service, and specialized missions such as aerial observation and search and rescue operations. Over 500 units were produced between 1968 and 1990, with many still in service today, underscoring its enduring reliability and adaptability.